Alright, so good morning. Today I'm gonna be doing what I said I wasn't gonna do, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I'm gonna install this Humminbird Piranha Max 4DI on my kayak. I know I said I'm not a big electronics guy. I like being a pure fisherman, but I also love knowing the depth I'm fishing at and then the water temp, of course. And I was looking online, and for decent just a depth and water temperature reader is the same price as this guy, so I figure I'd bite the bullet and get it installed in the kayak and eat crow. So yeah, stay tuned. The biggest thing I think I'm gonna have an issue with is trying to figure out a spot to mount the transducer. I think I got a couple of places picked out, but yeah, let me get the kayak down and get it set up, and then get this guy installed. All right, so basically where I'm gonna mount this is gonna be right in this little track area right here. Hopefully it'll fit when you look at that. That's where I'm gonna mount the yeah, we should be good. That's where I'm gonna mount the receiver here. And then I think I got a good spot for the transducer. And, yeah. Might have to put something right here, like a piece of board, or yeah. I mean, I could mount it here, but I'd be in the way of everything. Like when I'm sitting down, I got long legs, so I would be in the way of if I haul in a fish or whatnot. So yeah, I think this would probably be the best spot. Let me get some tools out and let's get her done. I screwed this piece of plastic in just to give me some more support for the mount itself. Then once I get the mount in, it shouldn't move, it shouldn't go anywhere, and it should be secure enough to into the kayak, so we should be good to go. Let's start assembling this guy here. I'm just winging it. I don't have I threw away the instructions because that's what men do, and as I said, I'm just winging it right now. And I do believe, yep. All right, so it comes with this ring here, this ring, or the mount, the ring that mounts the actual mount that clips in the back of this guy. So basically what you gotta do is you gotta line up the holes, stick them in, and screw them in. And essentially all this does, it makes it, you can turn, it'll help you can turn the fish finder. I love my son, I love him to death, I'd do anything for him, but before he moved out, he was like using my tools, and now I'm missing some, and kids, what can you do? Miss him, man. It's weird. As soon as he turned 18, he's like, all right, now I want him to get out and be a man and start taking responsibilities, move out, get his own place, and now he's gone. It's like, it's just weird to me, And I got that mounted to this, and then turn this, and now we're gonna mount this guy to the plastic. So now that's mounted. Let's get this guy mounted to the mount. we don't have a battery right now. It's ice fishing season up here, so all of the Cabela's or Bass Pro Shops, all of their batteries are gone, out of stock. So I gotta wait. Got them on back order, so I'm gonna wait for it to come in. That's mounted, and it ain't going nowhere. And now time to flip it and see where I want to mount this transducer at. I know where I'm gonna mount it. I'm gonna mount it right in this scupper hole right here, so it's gonna sit like this. And it'll pretty much sit flush with the kayak here. You can see where all the scrapes are. That's pretty much the only spots where it gets scraped up when I drag it in and out of the water and back here. And nothing really gets touched right here. And I think this would be a good spot for it. I'll feed it down and then figure out something, how to push it through. Yeah, let me do that. And, should be pretty simple. Alright, so basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a hole, try to get it right into the scupper hole right here, and feed this through and then run it to the front. Got my hole saw blades. See if I can find a hole saw that's big enough for this guy. Oh, perfectly, yeah. Alright, so I got my hole saw set up, and see if I can pop a hole inside of this guy. There we go. Again, I am going to be sealing all these holes up with some silicone. That's one thing I don't want to do is fill this hole with water. I really wish I had a battery. Stuff that in there so it doesn't move. Oh yeah, we should be good. I'm gonna pop this plug off. Line the pliers. Pull the plug, and I'm gonna feed this guy. Feed him. I should back these screws out so I can slide this underneath here and up. Guy back on. We should make like a quick release thing for this. In. this guy, man. Bam, look at that. And then this is where I'm gonna store the battery once I get it, once Cabela's or Fleet Farm or wherever, they get back into stock, and pick up a battery and we get a box and then mount it in the box and then the box to the kayak, and then we should be solid, man. Get everything sealed up and should be good to go. This is it. You got it all mounted nice and secured. Got some zip ties on it. Running through this little plastic piece, which, like I said, I'm not worried about because I'm gonna paint the whole bottom here. And yeah, then open this guy up. That's where the wires are gonna go. As soon as I get a battery in a battery box, I'll clean it up a little bit more. So the batteries are on back order right now. And got the hole back here, which I'm gonna seal up as soon as my dad gets here with some silicone. I got the scupper plate or scupper plug holding the wire in so it's not bouncing around. It looks good on the bottom. And pretty much does it, man. Like, it's really simple, easy, not too complicated. The biggest issue that I have is trying to find a battery right now. Luckily it's winter time, so I really don't need it, but I'd like to have it just in case, yeah. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll answer anything that you guys got. And pretty much wraps it up for me today. And oh yeah, I wanted to show you a little bit of modifications I did to the box here. I put a little latch system on it using the old bungee cords, so I can strap it down. So I can strap it down so it's nice and secure right there. Unhook it. And I built a little divider here so I can, I never take a lot of gear with me, just because I don't use a lot of gear. I just use a handful of lures and stuff, and the stuff that I know that works. So I only got 2 boxes like this. Of course, got my bug spray, got some water, and then whatever soft baits I'm gonna put right here. And I think my next tutorial, I'm gonna get the retractable clothesline and then replace it with 550 quarter mounted to this box for my anchor. And then it's pretty much done for, other than the paint, but yeah, it's pretty much done for. And I don't think I'm gonna be adding on to anything else. Like, I think this is it. Probably, I'm not even gonna get ahead of myself. So yeah, like I said, hopefully this video helps somebody out. And leave a comment if you like. I'll answer any questions that you guys got. And have a good day. Peace.